Hi there, I'm Dan Kniff with Interplant Sales. I'm running a Hoston 8-foot, 88-ton press brake for you here today. A hydraulic press brake. This machine features a touchscreen control. It's a very easy machine to run. Just touch on the number you want to change on it, and you can change it to whatever you need to. It's got a nice programmable back gauge on it with linear ways and ball screws. It's got programmable ram control on it with servo drive for adjusting the height of the ram. It's clean electric package. Machine's on 220, 230 volt. It's a manual for the control on it, made by Co-Trust. Shows you how to run it. Machine's pretty easy to program and run. It's got 2-speed RAM on it. Start the machine up here and run it. It's got a light in the front. It's front light. It's at start, and then oil pump. It's got a small program in there right now on it. Got the ball screws and the back gauge. It also comes with American die holder on the floor here. It comes with an 8-way die on it. Punch. It's got degrees for the bend, or you can, it's at 90 right now. If you wanted to change it to like 100 degree, you can go like that. And this is the back gauge. If you want to change it from 10 to say 11, you just touch it and enter. And then this is the steps of the program. And if you want angle bending, it's an angle bending, or you can change it to depth bending there. It's also got inner and outer on the back gauge here. And if you want to just add a step, you just press that on the last step, and you can add a step to it. It's also got a die list here for different dies. This is the lower dies. Okay, that's your library for the dies. This is a material thickness. It's on 039. If you want to change it, you just put what thickness of the metal is there. So it's easy to program. If you have any questions, give us a call.